Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you've learned on how to use the Visa gift card on TikTok Shop. So first is you just have to open your TikTok application on your mobile device, and then of course you have to log into your account. So once you're here, you just have to simply tap on the shop option. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here now the different items that you can purchase from TikTok Shop. So for example, I want to purchase this product right here. Okay, so you just have to simply tap on it and tap on the buy now option. Okay, and then tap on the buy now. So select your size. Then after that, right here under the payment method, you just have to choose the add credit or debit card. Okay, so here you just have to check the details of your gift card. So simply type out the card number of your gift card, the expiration date, the security code, and the card holder name. After that, you just have to simply tap on the save option, and then I just have to check out your item. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.